Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this wireless charger. Okay, so suitable for charging mobile watch and other things, not just mobile watch. Okay, so it has the USB ports here. And it can turn into a USB-C. Charging port here, use it for Apple Watch, USB-C, Lightning, and a micro. And that's it. If you're interested in this cable, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you'll help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and we'll see you next time.